Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, January 27, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex.
Hi, David. Good morning.
How are you today?
I am fine, thanks. A little tired?
Me too. I need coffee, a big coffee.
Yes, coffee is necessary today.
Is the machine working?
Yes, but it is very slow.
It is always slow in the morning.
True. Everyone wants coffee now.
So, do you have many meetings today?
Yes, I have 3 meetings. It is a busy day.
I understand. I have 2 calls with clients.
Sales is always busy.
Yes, but I like it. I like talking to people.
That is good. You are good at talking.
Thanks. Hey, did you read the news today?
I read a little bit. Why?
I saw something interesting in the Wall Street Journal.
Oh, really? What is it about?
It is about work and free time.
That sounds good. Tell me.
The article says the G7 countries agree on a test.
A test? What kind of test?
A test for a 4-day work week.
Really? Only 4 days?
Yes, it is a new standard.
That is big news. When was this published?
It was published on January 26.
So yesterday, that is very fresh news.
Yes, the article says it is a trial for 1 year.
Interesting. Which countries are in the G7?
The US, UK, Germany, Japan, big countries.
And does the salary change?
No, that is the best part.
Really?
Yes, the article says 100% pay.
And 80% time?
Exactly, but we need 100% productivity.
I see. So we must work faster.
Maybe, but imagine having 3 days for the weekend.
That sounds wonderful.
I can play sports. I can sleep more.
It is good for mental health too.
Do you think our boss likes this idea?
I don't know. Our boss likes meetings.
True. We have meetings 5 days a week.
But productivity is important for the company.
Yes. If I sell more in 4 days, it is good.
The article says it starts soon.
It says the test starts in June 2026.
We have time to prepare then.
I hope it happens here. I want a long weekend.
Me too. I can read more books.
You always read books.
I like learning new things.
Speaking of learning, did you see the New York Times?
No, I did not check it today. Why?
There is a story about technology.
I like technology news. What is it?
It is about smart contact lenses.
Contact lenses for your eyes.
Yes, a company called Vision Corp made them.
When is the article from?
It is from January 25.
Okay, so what do these lenses do?
They are like a computer screen.
In your eye, that sounds scary.
No, it is cool. It is called LensLink.
LensLink. Okay, how does it work?
You put them in your eyes in the morning.
And then?
Then you can see text messages.
Where in the air?
No, only you see them in your vision.
So I am walking and I see a message?
Yes, you can see maps too.
That is dangerous, David.
Why is it dangerous?
Imagine driving a car.
The article says it helps drivers with maps.
But it is a distraction.
Maybe, but think about work.
How does it help with work?
I can be in a meeting with a client.
Yes,
And I can see my email at the same time.
but the client knows you are not listening.
No, they cannot see the screen.
But your eyes look strange.
The article says they look normal.
How much does it cost?
It is expensive. $500 for a pair.
That is a lot of money.
And the battery lasts 12 hours.
So you need to charge your eyes?
Yes, basically.
I prefer my phone. It is in my pocket.
You are old-fashioned, Alex.
I like being safe. I don't want emails in my eye.
I want to try them. It feels like the future.
It is too much technology for me.
Well, the third news is about fun.
Okay, is it about movies?
No, it is about sports and video games.
Sports and video games together?
Yes, I saw it on CNN this morning.
What is the headline?
It says, IOC announces virtual reality esports medals.
IOC, the Olympic Committee?
Yes, the Olympics.
Wait, video games are now Olympic sports?
Yes, for the year 2028.
That is very surprising.
The article is from today, January 27th.
So it is official.
Yes, but it is virtual reality games.
Ah, so you move your body?
Exactly. You wear a headset.
And you run?
Yes, you run on a special machine.
Okay, that is physical exercise.
Yes, it is not sitting on a sofa.
What games are included?
The article mentions virtual tennis and running,
Virtual tennis sounds fun.
and also a strategy game.
Strategy, like chess?
A little bit. But with robots in VR.
That is very modern.
I want to be an Olympic athlete now.
You an athlete?
Yes, I am good at video games.
But you need to run, David.
I can run sometimes.
You take the elevator to the second floor.
That is because I'm busy, not lazy.
Haha, sure.
But seriously, it changes sports.
Yes, it opens the Olympics to new people.
Young people like video games.
It connects technology and culture.
See, you're analyzing it again.
It is my job. I analyze things.
And I sell things. Maybe I can sell VR headsets.
Maybe. If the 4-day work week happens.
Yes, then I have time to train.
Train for the Olympics?
Yes, the Virtual Olympics 2028.
You have 2 years to prepare.
I need to start today.
After your coffee.
Yes, my coffee is ready now.
Finally, mine is ready too.
It smells good.
Yes, I need this energy.
So back to work?
Yes, I have that meeting in 10 minutes.
Good luck with the meeting.
Thanks. Good luck with your sales calls.
Thanks. I will sell a lot today.
And don't play video games at your desk?
I won't. Unless I get the smart lenses.
Very funny.
Have a good day, Alex.
You too, David. See you later.
See you at lunch, maybe.
Yes, come to my desk at 1 o'clock.
Perfect, bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.